Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Outback honey mustard sauce. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of honey, and 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. For an authentic taste, using a good quality Dijon is key. Some recipes also suggest adding 1/4 cup of light corn syrup for an extra touch of sweetness and smooth texture. Now, let's start mixing your delicious sauce. Take a medium-sized bowl and add your 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise. This forms the rich base. Next, carefully measure and pour in the 1/2 cup of sweet honey, ensuring it blends smoothly. Finally, add the 1/4 cup of tangy Dijon mustard. These 3 core ingredients will combine to create the signature flavor of your homemade honey mustard sauce. Once all ingredients are in the bowl, whisk them together until the sauce is completely smooth and well combined. For those who prefer a sweeter profile, you can incorporate 1½ teaspoons of white sugar. Additionally, a tiny dash of 1/8 teaspoon of white vinegar can introduce a subtle, zesty zip to your sauce. After mixing, it's best to chill your honey mustard sauce in the refrigerator for about 30 to 60 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, give it a quick stir as some separation can occur. You can store your homemade sauce in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.